The possible return of Mary Jane Veloso to the Philippines. Ambassador Gina Alagon Jamoralin said Indonesia is considering Veloso's transfer to a Philippine prison. She also said that Jakarta signaled it would allow Manila to make future decisions about potential clemency once Veloso is transferred. This marks a significant development in the 14-year campaign for her release. Veloso is currently on death row in Indonesia for drug trafficking.
Yeah,
this is a good news.
Good news.
Kahit paano,
although si Veloso really did transfer drugs, the issue here was she was
victim siya.
She was made to be a mule, di ba? Of course, lesson learned. Next time, check your baggages. But
kasi sabi niya,
point
diba, she maintains her innocence. Di niya alam kung ano yung nakalagay doon sa bag.
Ang ano kasi dito ng Philippines, ang ina-assert natin before, baka we could use her as a witness.
That's what they did.
Kaya nga, but in other words, pwede nang as a witness para ma-stay yung execution.
Yes.
But now we want, maybe we could give clemency and maging state witness to point out sino ba yung mga naka-interact niyang mga sindikato na ito, because the bigger picture is how do we bring down these syndicates preying on vulnerable civilians or innocent people who just want to make a living.
Totoo.
Syempre minsan you're under duress already pag kailangan mo kumita lahat ng opportunity. Tayo nga, we were in Rome, 'di ba? We were in Italy.
In transit to Rome.
In transit may nagsasabi, hindi, pauwi na tayo noon.
Pauwi na ba yun?
Pauwi na. Nag-offer sa atin ng double the amount of an excess baggage para lang na tayo aako ng baggage niya. No, we said no.
For context ang dito kay Mary Jane Veloso, I don't remember but that was 14 years ago if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, oo.
'Di ba nahuli siya doon, sabi nga niya she was promised nung kanilang kapitbahay na supposedly na recruiter nga ng trabaho, pero nilipat siya doon sa Malaysia, sa Indonesia, tas ito na nga yun nangyari.
Yes.
During the Pinoy administration, 'di ba? Tinry natin i-hold talaga yung kanyang yung pagbitay sa kanya.
We delayed it because we parang present natin sa Indonesia na
sakto kasi in time of yung death row niya.
Present natin
biglang surrender yung dalawang illegal recruiters na nag-recruit nga dito kay Mary Jane Veloso. Tapos
kaya ang avenue na ginawa natin is we need to get Mary Jane Veloso's testimony. But if you execute her now,
hindi namin ma-resolve yung kaso.
So pwedeng habang kinukuha namin yung statement, ano nyo muna, stay nyo muna execution.
Huwag nyo muna siyang
pero
ibitay.
the first time was not a delay or of the commutation of the sentence. It was just merely a delay. But right now, talagang we're moving forward with this discussion.
Exactly. So this December, her parents, yung mommy at daddy niya, pupunta ulit sa Indonesia para dalawin siya. Kasama yung dalawa niyang anak. Ito nung binabasa ko talaga to, naalala ko. Talagang, it broke my heart. Kasi yung anak niya na naiwan, at that time na umalis siya, na supposedly siya ay magtatrabaho sa ibang bansa, ay 8 years old at saka 3. Ngayon, they're 22 and 17 years old.
Wow, they're gonna see their mama, hopefully.
Yes.
Very soon.